Here's how to get Geode on your iPhone. Go in Settings, scroll down to Privacy and Security, then Developer Mode and turn it on. Your phone will restart. Click the link below the like button, scroll down, and hit Geode iOS. Then press link 1. Download Alt Server, click the file, hit Extract All, and then click Extract. Now double click the new folder, run the setup program, and then set it up. Then download Jitterbug Pair, click on the file icon, hit Extract All, and then click Extract. Then download the side store IPA file. Now check to see if you have iTunes installed and if you have iCloud installed. If you don't, then download them and sign in to the Apple account that's associated with your iPhone. Now safely plug in a cable from your phone to your computer. Do not forget to put in your password and then press trust or allow, because then it won't work and then you'll cry yourself to sleep. Search your computer for Alt Server and then run it. Then click the drop down menu and while holding shift, click on the icon of a square rotated 45 degrees until you get this pop-up menu. It might take a little bit to open. Then hover over Sideload IPA and click on your phone. When this menu pops up, just click on the sidestore.ipa file that we downloaded earlier. Now enter your Apple ID and password. If it's not working for some reason, make sure you're logged into iCloud and iTunes. If everything went well, you should get a notification that it's installing SideStore to your phone. Now open Settings, click on General, and then scroll down to VPN Device Management. Click on the profile, hit Trust, and then click Allow. Now plug your phone back into your computer and go to the Jitterbug Pair file. Then right click the exe and run it as an administrator. It should generate a file that looks like this. Right click on it and then compress it to a zip file. Now go back to the Discord in the description and go back to the Geode iOS channel. Then click on link 3. Before you click on link 3, it takes a lot of time to condense these tutorials down to just 5 minutes. If you could like the video, that'd be greatly appreciated. Then click on link 3. It'll bring you to a website called PairDrop where you can easily bring the file over to your phone. Now, drag and drop the zip file we just made into PairDrop until it pops up at the top. Now, go to pairdrop.net on your phone. If you're going from Discord, make sure to click the Safari button at the bottom right. Now, send over the file to your phone by just clicking on it, and on your phone, accept the request. Now, press download and hit save to files. Save it somewhere on your iPhone and hit save. Now, open the Files app and find the zip file we just downloaded. Press and hold on the file and press uncompress. Now open the SideStore app that should be installed on your phone. It's gonna ask for a pairing file. Press OK and find the file that we just uncompressed. If you did it correctly, it should be on the On My iPhone page or wherever you put it. Now go on the settings page of the app and sign in to your Apple ID. If you get this pop-up, just press yes. If you're an idiot like me and you pay for certificates, this shouldn't mess with that. Now, once you press got it, you can now go to the App Store. Search up Stas VPN and download the app. Once you have the app, go through the setup process and connect to the VPN. Press allow and enter your password. Once it's connected, go back to the app, press refresh now, hit keep app extensions if it shows up. Now your app is going to refresh. Now you can go back in the Discord, click on link 4, hit the Safari button, scroll down, download the .ipa file, press download, go back to the app, select My Apps, hit the plus button, sort by recents, and download the Geode app. Once it's done downloading, it's not gonna immediately work. You'll need to go on the App Store and download an app called Stick Debug. It will also be located in the Discord. Now open the app, press continue, press allow, enter your password, click select pairing file. Go back to where you had your pairing file before and click on it. Now click connect and connect the app to Geode. It might crash the app or something, but don't worry, it'll be fine. Okay, this is very important. Whenever you go in the app and select My Apps, you'll see that they expire in 7 days. Whenever 7 days is up, your apps will no longer be able to work. To combat this, open the Stas VPN app, connect to the VPN, go back into the app and select My Apps, and refresh the apps. Then you can disconnect from the VPN. Do this every few days or so to make sure your apps don't just randomly stop working. Now, go in the Geode app and download Geode and verify that it works and all that, and if it doesn't immediately play, open the Stick Debug app, click connect, and then hit Geode. Congratulations, you are now one of the very few people who have Geode on iOS. Now you can go flex it to all of your loser friends.
Squish be shaking right now, he not baking right now. He can't make cake right now. Hi chat, Squish is fat, he not a cat. Yo, Squisharoo, once you ate a poo, going in the zoo, getting hit by